This is a WGGE wire stripper, but it's much more than a wire stripper. It's really 6 tools in one. Let's show you how. So of course, the first tool is the wire stripper found right here on the tool. This can strip number 10 through number 22 solid wire or number 12 through number 22 stranded wire. Solid and stranded wire are numbered differently, so know your size and know your type. And then start big and work your way down until you can just cut into and strip the insulation. Number 2 on the list is a wire cutter. It can cut solid or stranded copper wire or aluminum wire, but never attempt to cut steel or steel cables that will damage your tool. Number 3 on the list is this loophole tool. It's used to create perfect terminal loops or J-hooks when you're connecting switches and outlets. Just insert the tip of your wire that's been stripped of 3/4 of an inch of insulation into the loophole and then flip it to create a perfect J-hook for your outlets and switches. Number 4 is this area right here, which serves as a crimper for connecting insulated and non-insulated connectors. Number 5 on the list is a screw cutter. There are 6 different screw sizes right here that will fit into these holes. When you screw your screw it in as far as you need to cut off and then snip it off. As you back it out, it will repair any damage caused by the snipping effect and the threads will be intact when you pull it out. Number 6 is needle nose pliers. This is great for pulling or bending wires or for breaking the ears off of outlets or switches. So some other features of this wire stripper are it has a baked enamel coating to prevent rust and damage. It also has an insulated PVC kind of rubberized handle that's very comfortable in the hand. The only downside I really see with this tool is it doesn't have a spring-loaded grip. That's something I can live with because the trade-off is that I get the crimping tool where the spring would be. Overall, this is a great tool for a home user, a DIY type of application. If you're a professional, you're probably going to get a more professional, more expensive tool, but for 99% of the rest of us, this is an ideal price point and capability that will serve us perfectly. I've used it quite a bit already and have been super happy with the results. Thanks for watching.